My name's Aaron Croman, and I'm going to teach you how to use Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to make a line drawing look like pencil. So first we're going to have a look at our brushes. I right-clicked to get into this menu. So I have it currently on a hard round 19, and let's see what that looks like. I'm using a tablet, so it's nice line variation. So that doesn't look very pencil-like. So we're going to go into the brush options, and we're going to turn on scattering. And let's see what happens. Well, not much, because everything's kind of at 0. So let's see what the scatter can do. So over here, it kind of does nothing, but over to the other side, at 1000%, kind of looks like this. So we don't want that much. We want it kind of be more around maybe 400. So kind of a nice little texture to it. Then we're going to go to the count. This is how many little balls we have. So let's see how much when we have a whole bunch. Just kind of a solid mass. So we want maybe about 3, 4. So it has a little bit of texture, but it's still a pretty good line. This is just a basic tutorial to give you a general idea of what to use for your pencils. Because there's a lot of different types out there, different hardnesses, widths, whether you like it with the point or really blunt. So play with it and figure out what works best for you. And pencils aren't completely black. So we're going to go over here and open up the color picker, and we're going to make it kind of a dark gray. And let's look how it looks. And that looks good. But sometimes you have like a little bit of a light stroke. So I'm putting down the opacity down to about 60. And so now we can layer it. And while we're at it, I'm going to go back into the brush options and we'll turn on airbrush. Doesn't do too much, but play with the different stuff like texture and find all the little cool things you can do with these options. But this is how you get a drawing to look just like pencil. My name's Aaron Croman, and good luck with Photoshop.